Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this reel which you have seen in the preview without any editing. So if you want to learn about it, keep watching this video till the end. Guys, I'm Suman and you're watching me on Tech Talk with Suman Rawat. Now let's begin. So first of all guys, you have to check out my video description. There I have given video link, viral video link. So click on that reel and you will reach on this reel. Okay guys, here you will find users template feature of Instagram. So click on this feature and you will get interface like this. You can see here this user used 8 video clips on this sound and you have to replace your own video clips. To replace your videos, click on the add media option and you will reach your phone gallery. Now you select the 8 video clips from here. If you don't have video clips, you can select the photos also. After selecting video clips, you will do next from bottom. Now you can see your video result on here and again we'll do next from bottom. Now can use Insta features from top like filter, sticker, text and music, and again we'll do next from bottom. Now can write your caption and can share your video as a reel. So guys, what do you think about this tutorial? Is this helpful or not for you? Please express your feedback by clicking on like and dislike button.